Okay, page 32 children, see first paragraph. Everyone keep pencil there in first paragraph. After 8 years, L went to school, no? There how teacher treated him, let's see in first paragraph. His teacher thought he was confused, but his mother thought otherwise, and she took him out of school as she believed her son was brilliant. Okay, once again I am reading. His teacher thought, what else teacher thought him, children? He was confused child. Okay, the teacher thought he don't know anything. He just confusing about all these things. That's why he is asking many questions. Like that the teacher thought. Okay, and but mother did not thought like that, children. Mother ala anukoledu. Okay, but his mother thought otherwise, and he took him outside of the school, out of school, అంటే స్కూల్ నుంచి ఇంకా బయటికి తీసుకొచ్చేసారనమాట. బికాజ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ క్రిటిసైజింగ్ దిస్ ఎల్. ఓకే, హీ డోంట్ నో ఎనీథింగ్, హీ వాజ్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్ చైల్డ్, హీ డోంట్ నో about what things happening in the world. Like that all are telling. Even his teacher also not believed him. So what mother did, but mother never told like that, but she believed him. How? He was a brilliant, I know. Okay, mother okkare tanni nammaranamata. Okay, he was a brilliant, I know he was a brilliant. Like that she thought, and she took him from out of the school. ఓకే, స్కూల్ నుంచి బయటికి తీసుకొచ్చేసారనమాట. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సి ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ షీ బిగన్ టీచింగ్ హిమ్ ఎట్ హోమ్. వేర్ షీ స్టార్టెడ్ టీచింగ్ హిమ్? at home only. Okay, mother only teacher now, and L will be the student. Now she started teaching him all the things at home only. And next, L loved reading books from his father's library. Okay, L's father have library, and now L, what he loved to do, children? He loved to read the books. Okay, he loved to read the books at library, in his father's library. And next, he lost most of his hearing when he was 12 years old. What he lost, children? Hearing problem L have. What problem did L have, children? Hearing problem. Hearing problem he have. Okay, so he lost his హియరింగ్ వెన్ హీ వాజ్ 12 years old. అంటే అతనికి 12 years వచ్చేసరికి ఆల్మోస్ట్ చాలా ఎక్కువ శాతం ఈ హియరింగ్ని పోగొట్టుకున్నాడు అనమాట. హీ కుడెంట్ ఏబుల్ టు హియర్, చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, నౌ అండర్లైన్ ది హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ ఇన్ దిస్. అండర్లైన్ ద హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్. కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్, బిలీవ్డ్, brilliant, teaching, library, 12 years. Okay, what happened, children? His teacher thought him as a confused child, but what happened? Mother did not think like that, and she started teaching at home only, and he loved to read books also. And at his 12 years of old, he lost his hearing also. That means that L couldn't able to hear properly now. And next, after that, he was not completely deaf, but he told people that he liked not being able to hear, as it mean he could focus on his experiments without any disturbance. Okay, what, children? He was not completely deaf. పూర్తిగా చెవిటి మాత్రం రాలేదు. But he told people, what did he told? What he told, children? on his experiments without any disturbance. That means here L wants to do something new. He wants to invent something. అతనికి ఏదో ఒకటి కొత్తది కనిపెట్టాలి, ఏదో ఒకటి ఒక ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేయాలి అని అనుకునేవారు అనమాట. యాజ్ హీ వాస్ ట్రయింగ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్ న్యూ, సో దట్ he like to not being able to hear anything. ఏది వినకుండా ఉండడమే బెస్ట్. ఎందుకంటే నేను దేని గురించి డిస్టర్బెన్స్ తీసుకోకర్లేదు. ఇఫ్ ఐ కుడ్ ఏబుల్ టు హియర్ మీన్స్ ఐ విల్ గెట్ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ వైల్ ఐ am doing experiments. Okay, like that he told to people. What did he told? But he told people that he liked not being able to hear, as it meant he could focus on his experiments without any disturbance. Okay, he was not completely deaf. తనకి పూర్తిగా చెవిటి మాత్రం రాలేదు. But he liked that not being able to hear everything, so he could focus on his experiments without any difficulties. Okay, or disturbances, ఏ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ లేకుండా ఫ్రీగా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ మీద నేను ఫోకస్ చేయడానికి నాకు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఐ కెన్ డూ మై ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ బెటర్ ఇఫ్ ఐ ఎమ్ నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ ఎనీ డిస్టర్బెన్స్. లైక్ దట్ హీ టోల్డ్ టు పీపుల్ అరౌండ్ హిమ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ he decided to fund his experiments himself. So at the age of 12, he began selling vegetables and fruits. See, if we want to do experiments, the equipment we want, yes or no, the material we want, who will give to us? Our parents will give to us. Or other people, they may get sponsorship or they may get funds from other people. But here L did not have any funds or any sponsor to give him money. But what he thought, he want to fund his experiment himself. తనకి తానే ఫండ్ చేసుకోవాలి, తనకి తానే he want to gain his money for his experiment. So what he did at 12 years only, at age of 12 years he started to selling vegetables and fruits. ఏం చేశారంట, ఫ్రూట్స్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ అమ్మడాన్ని స్టార్ట్ చేశారనమాట at 12 years old. For what? To conduct the experiments by himself only, not to take others' help. And next, he also sold newspapers, candies and snacks at the local railway station. This way he was able to save some money. Okay, what he did, children? He sold newspapers also. Newspapers ammaranta, candies ammar, inka snacks also he sold in the local railway stations lo అమ్మేవారు అనమాట. అండ్ దిస్ వే, లైక్ దిస్ వాట్ హీ డిడ్, హీ వాజ్ ఏబుల్ టు సేవ్ సమ్ మనీ. ఈ విధంగా తనకి తాను కొంచెం మనీ సేవ్ చేసుకోగలిగారు. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ సూన్ సెటప్ ఏ సైన్స్ laboratory in the basement of his house. Okay, L soon set up a science laboratory in the basement of his house. L soon become interested in the field of electric light and electricity. Okay, what happened, children? L, after that, what L did? He prepared a science laboratory where in the basement of his house. Basement means underground room. Okay, underground means ground we will have first floor, and ground underground means below the first floor, lopalki anamata. Okay, here we cannot see, but in cities, okay, in foreign countries mostly they will have underground rooms. Okay, so in that place, in that room, he set up a science laboratory lab. Okay, he set up, and this L become very interested for what? In the electric field of electric light and electricity. Okay, he was interested to do the experiments with the electricity only. Okay, he began conducting his own experiments with electricity. He had several failures. before he became successful, but he never gave up. What happened if we did one first experiment, then only we will get success? No, we will not get success. So many times we should do. Yes or no? If already we know, మనకు already తెలిసిన ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అయినా చేయడానికి so many attempts we will do. But here L is doing new experiment. What he is doing? New experiment. New experiment means so many failures will be there. Yes or no? So many times he was failed in his experiment. Okay, he conducted his own experiments without taking any others help. But several times, several means so many times, he was failure. He got failures, but he never gave up. Okay, he never gave up. Okay, and before he is successful means success will be there, but before that what will be there? So many failures. If we gave up, we will not able to see the success. Like that, the L also didn't stop doing his experiments.